What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll have a 2011 BMW 3 Series. I got this one off Facebook Marketplace, and I got it because of this damage, because that's what I want to do. So right here you can see the fender is pretty much messed up, and we pretty much need a new door. You can see that that's all squared up. So we need a new door, new driver door, new passenger door. And also if you come to the rear, you can see I'll probably need a new rear bumper as well. You can see right here got like all this paint chipping away, and also it's damaged right there as well. And if you come on this side, you can see the rocker panel is missing, so we'll need a new rocker panel. And this door too, I was thinking of just leaving the door and getting repaired, but it's pretty much gonna take me a little bit more time with that, so I'll just get a new door for that one. And on the front side, right here you can see the car still look okay. There's really no problem apart from the damage on that side. And on the bumper right here you can see a little bit of paint chip off and a little crack right there. So I'm gonna take care of that. I'm not gonna get a new bumper. So let me show you guys the interior. Right here you can see the interior is pretty much, I don't know if that's red or burgundy, but it looks really good with the black. And right here you can see this piece is missing as well, and we have another missing piece right here. And also I think on this side we got like a broken mirror, so we'll get another mirror for that. That one is like broken, so I'll get a new one. And this thing, I don't know, I'm gonna replace that, but I was trying to replace that as well. So with all that being said, I'm gonna head to our local junkyard to see whatever I can find. I'll update you guys from there when I go to the junkyard. Hello guys, so we're at the junkyard right now, and surprisingly I found a perfect match for the BMW. Right here you can see that's a fender, and if you look right here, it's a 2011 BMW 3 Series. You can see that, and you can see the driver door and the passenger door still in perfect condition. We're going to take the fender right now, and tomorrow, since I don't have a truck, I'm going to rent like the U-Haul truck, and I'll come back and pick up these doors. And I also need a mirror too. I was looking for the the coolant reservoir, but somebody took it already. But that's okay, we're gonna find it on eBay. I've looked everywhere on this junkyard, I could not find it. So I'm really happy we found this, because I was thinking of how I'm gonna paint, because I found this one before. I was thinking of how I'm gonna paint it and over there, but I was just walking back up and I saw that one. I was like, okay, thank God we found it. So let me go ahead and take out the bumper and we'll just go. It will be like a perfect match. All right, guys, so today I went and got a U-Haul, so let's go pick up those doors, and I mean, it's gonna be the perfect match for everything. All right, guys, so we're back at the junkyard today. You remember yesterday I took out the fender, and today we're going to take the door, the driver door and the passenger door. And also I'll need the mirror on this car, like the passenger side mirror, so I'm going to take that as well. And also I wanted to take this headlight, but I mean they look really clean, but I still have my headlight. I'll just restore them. And also I wanted the bumper, but I'll just pass on that. And right here you can see it's the same color, like the same color of my car. So let's go ahead. I will jump on this door, we'll take them out, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so this is the next BMW. This one is a 2007, I think so. Yeah, right here you can see the year. And we're gonna take the rear bumper from this one, and mine is kind of like damaged like somewhere right here, so this one should be a perfect match for it. So I'll go ahead and take out this one, and I'll see you guys when we're done. Alright guys, so this will be the end for today's video. Stay tuned for part 2 because you don't want to miss it out. It's going to be really interesting. We'll be installing the fender, the 2 doors, the rear bumper, and the mirror as well. And with all that being said, thank you all for all the love and support you give to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.